Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find transition templates on the FilmMaker application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This is the first page, and if you want to start a new project, click to the new project button. And the project section you can find your old videos and project. But new, if you want to find different templates, click to the asset library option at the upper side of the screen. And in the lower bar, click to the fourth option, the transition. And here you can find different option, featured, brush, overlay, classic, glitch and others, and just select one and you can use, and you can select another. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.